Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dark aesthetic filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, if you wanna add dark aesthetic filters, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the filters at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on at the menu, you just click on the B and V menu, and then in here you just click on the fade, click on it, and in here you can setting the filter just left or right like this. And after this, in here you can adjust the filter, so you can click on the adjust this one. You can adjust the brightness like this, the contrast, exposure, the saturation, and the last for the sharpen. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to make dark aesthetic filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.